I've come home to find a box, a heavy box, and it says total units 15, and it says indeed Poisoned Chalice. So this is unboxing the first copies of my book that have arrived unexpectedly. I did not expect them to come this early. Before I open this box, what I want to say is there's a lot of people that gave me support to get to this place. There's a lot of people who trusted me. I'm going to mention three before I open this because these three people are no longer with us. Colonel Ted Smyth, United States Marine Corps, worked with me at APL. And when I was trying to go down the path of getting a PhD, he went to bat for me several times. I had to apply multiple times and had to appeal to get funding from the lab. It was a whole thing. And so, but sadly, Colonel Smyth is not with us anymore, but he's mentioned in these pages. Another one is Capt Paul Rinn, who's the commanding officer of the USS Samuel B. Roberts. I interviewed him while going through the process, and he was very supportive of me and my research and spent a lot of time with me. And sadly, he has subsequently passed away. And the third one is Boatswain's Mate Senior Chief, EOD, Clay Hedricks, who was the Senior Chief on my first EOD detachment. And he also gave me a lot of support, and I did a lot of research with him, and he made connections for me. And indeed, he was part of the inspiration of me writing this book in the first place because Clay had served in Operation Earnest Will as a young slick bomb EOD tech. So I'm opening this and thinking of them. Colonel Ted Smyth, Captain Paul Rinn, and Boatswain's Mate Senior Chief EOD Clay Hedricks. It's always a great moment as an author to open your first box of your books, especially since I did not expect this tonight. Wow. And here they are. Poisoned Chalice by Stephen Phillips. Published by Potomac Books. I think it came out great. I think the cover looks great. Quotes from Admiral James Stavridis, Brian Kastner, and indeed my advisor, Professor Andrew Lambert from King's College London. And so thank you to those three as well. So, yeah. Available soon, if not now. United States Navy in the Persian Gulf, 1987, 1988.
Got it.